and today I am going to build my number blocks 11 to 20, and this is the full video. And these are the number blocks that will come in the set. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And also, if you want to buy, click on the link in the description. Now let's open. Here we have got the face pieces and the things that come in the set. I've already put the stickers on here. So the last video I made for 11 to 15 was the one I was putting stickers. These are the episode cards, so they come like this and they're double-sided. I'll just scroll through them. And now let's look at these cards. This is number block 11. This is 12, 13, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now we need to start building. And first number block is 11. And we also have these blocks that we're not going to use right now. And this is for 15 and those are for the other number blocks. So we need this red block for 11. The weather outside is so beautiful today. So we are going to follow these cards that come in the set. So number block 11. So we have one red block that will go over here and 10 white blocks. We put the 10 blocks like this and we put the one block on top. So let's start building. And we need to go pieces from here, and we've got 5s like this. More building, and let's build some more. Let's take these pieces out. Now let's find 11. So this big red eye goes over here. And now this one goes like this. This is number block 11's numbering. This is number block 11. Say hi to 11. Hi. 10 and 1, 10 and 1, 1, 10. 1, 1. 10 and 1, 11. Let's put it down on the side over here. Now let's build number block 12. Number block 12 is made of 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. And now we have to put them in the shape that they come in. So there are 2 blocks in the middle, like this. We're just going to put some white blocks around this. We need to put these pieces like this. And now we start putting the pieces at the bottom. One, 10, 1, 2. 10 and 2 is 12. Now we need to find the stickers and the faceplates. So this is the numbering. This is one of the pieces. And let's find the other one. Can you help me finding? I think so. It's hiding over here. And here it is. Let's put on her numbering first. Then let's add the 2 faceplates. This is number block 12. Now, the next number block is 13. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. So, most of the number blocks are in tens and ones. And this is the 13 card. Then let's add the faceplates and stickers. 13 cannot make any rectangles except from its tall and right position. That means it is a prime number. Then we put these blocks on the top, and we have to put them like a upside down step squat, like this one. Let's find 13's eyes. It's not this one. One of them is this. Now let's find the other faces. And now let's find the numbering. Look at both of our number block 13s. Don't they look the same? Now let's build number block 14. So this is how we're going to build the number block. It's made out of 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. In number blocks, 14 says he has lucky 777. Because 14 is 777. And now let's build. Not all of the number blocks look like this, but some more number blocks are waiting to be very rectangular, like 14. I will make the other shapes in other videos. 14 also has a helmet and a skateboard. Number block 14 skateboard is rainbow because number block 14 is lucky 777. Now let's put the skateboard on. And now we need to find the pieces. This is one of the green mouth and 14's eyes and mouth. We just need the second eye. Let's see if I can get it in one try. I think so. It is... Ooh, I can't find it. Uh-oh. So this is number block 14's piece. Now let's put number block 14's helmet on. And now, finally, we need to put the numbering. Look at number block 14, skate. Let's put our number blocks here. And now, we need to build the super special secret step squad is here. It is 15 with 10 white blocks and 5 blue blocks. Now let's put these pieces. This is 10 blocks. Now I need 5. That will go like this. And now we need to find her eyes. So This is the other piece, and these are 15's eyes. Now we need her mouth, which is this one. And this piece. And we also need a number link. This is number block 15. Let's build number block 16 now. So 10 white blocks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more is 16. Let's make a square. So we need these blocks that go at the top. And they have to be not in a rectangle, but they have to be in a square. Just add the pieces. So now let's see where the 10 red blocks go. They go over here. And like this. Let's add the other pieces on. And now let's build these ones sideways so they won't fall off. My table cover got stuck. Uh-oh. 13. Okay, so now we need to find pieces. So now let's find 16's eyes, which are indigo. This is her mouth, and this is the other eye, and this is the numbering. Let's put her eyes here and her mouth on the right side and her other piece on the left. This is number block 16. Now let's build number block 17. This is the card, and these are the instructions on how to build 17. So it's getting dark outside, and sorry for the shadows. So number block 17 is also a prime number like 13 and 11. Because he has the prime club badge over here. And now we add the pieces. A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself to equal a whole number. And a whole number is just something like 6 or 16. But 3.5 is not a whole number because that's 7 divided by 2. Then let's keep making our number blocks. Now, like this. And we're going to keep putting blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more blocks is 17 blocks. Now let's find all of the things we need. This is 17. And let's find the pieces. There are many pieces to go with 17. Not this one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These are the pieces we're going to use for number block 17. Let's put the first eyes on and mouth. These are the eyes. And here. Now let's add the extra pieces. First goes the green and red one. Like this. Then goes the violet one. Over here. Then is a big purple one. Over here. A blue one like this. A normal piece over here. And the yellow one being here. Got the Numberblink right now. Just to finish the number block. This is number block 17. Now let's build 18.
Wait.
So now let's put 17's card back and start building 18. So 18. Now we need to build number block 18. These are the blocks to build number block 18. The blocks are like this. So these 8 blocks are in an L shape. But is a backwards L shape. And now we put the 10. So we need to put the 10s. So now we have our Numberblink and we need 2 pieces. Is this one the right piece? I don't think so. This is the right piece. So let's find the other pieces. Let's put the pieces. So 18 has 2 of these pieces and a Numberblink. This is 18. Now let's make number block 19. Because we can't build number block 19 like this, because one of our grey pieces has 19's tall face. So we will build it with a 5x2 rectangle and a 9 on top. Not like this one, but the ones like this. 9. So we're going to build number block 19. Now let's just keep adding the pieces. And like this. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 2, 3, and let's put these on and then let's put these ones. These are 19 blocks. So we need to put pieces on like these ones. I don't think so her mouse will go on this side. Let's try putting it on the other side. So I think so that will look better. Numberblink for 90. This is 19. Now the last number block we're going to build is 20. This is 20's 210's top hat. And he also calls it tip-top top hat. So, the last 210's are for 20. Because 20 is 210's. Now let's break them up into 5s first to see how they work. I'll put a 2 and a 2 and a 3. Okay? 2, 2 and 3. And a 2 and a 2 and a 3. 2 and a 2 and a 3. 2 and 2 and 3. So this is a 3 and a 3 and a 2. A 3 and a 2 and a 2. A 2 and a 3. Then we have to turn the number around. Just like this. So they look better. So now let's fit the pieces on. There's a tip-top top hat, 20's face and pieces.
Like eyes.
Like the eyes. After this, we'll show you what the tall faces look like, but we're not going to build them. Okay? We're going to build them tall in the next video. So first, let's put the hat and the number link. Now let's start putting the faces on. Here. Now let's do the left side. This one here. This one here. And this here. This is number block 20. So now, what I was going to tell you, I'm just going to do it now. So now I will show you my number blocks. Let's go back. So we've put the box away. Let's put our number blocks in a line. 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me show you all of our number blocks. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 11 to 15. 16, 17, 18. These are 16, 17, and 18. Now here come 19 and 20. So now, just to tell you that these are the cards, let's lie our number blocks down like this now. These are the number blocks 11 to 20. So these are the cards 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now let's put our cards back. Now I'm going to show you something that will be very good. That will also come in the set. There's also a guide in the set that I didn't follow because some of the blocks were not built like this. Like 19, it was all wide. So we just decided to build it like this instead. So now, tall faces. I'll just show you how they look like. I'll try them in another video. It's dark outside and I need to sleep. This is 11's tall face. So, 11's tall face goes on this block. The tall faces go on the colourful blocks. So, now we have to do 12. Let's put the tall faces next to the number block. This is number block 12's tall face. It will go on one of these orange blocks. Now 13's tall face. Let's put it on number block 13. 14's and 15's. 16's tall face. And now 17's tall face. 18's tall face. 19's tall face. And 20's tall face. Put the tall faces back. So now I just need to show you the other pieces. First, let's put the tall faces back into the back where they belong, because I'm not going to use them, because I just had the normal faces with no sticker sheet, and that's because I already put the stickers on from the sticker sheet that I'm going to show you in my video of 11 to 15. I already put stickers on to 16 to 20 throughout the video. Now, let's show you these cards. Let's put the number blocks over here so we have enough space. Let's start by showing you this one. So these are some shapes that 8 and 6 can make. You don't need to have the 1 to 10. However, if you do, it's very good. And now the back. You need to make your numbers have a 2-ray, just like this. 2 times 10. And now you need to make your number go 3 ways, like this. 3 by 6. This is how you can build 18. And this is from loop the loop. Like you can make your number go like this. But you have to make them in the right shape. So like this 20 can go up this. Now, let's see if more numbers can go. Like 12. 12 can go up the 3-ray. But 12 has to go up to 6. And she doesn't have that shape, so we have to change her blocks. Let's just keep 12 straight. And now the back is just 18, like I told you. Now, let's choose one of these cards. I'll just take any of them, which looks good. I'll just scroll through them. This one. Good. So the episode over here is Flights of Fancy, where number blocks go to planets. You can also count in this way. 10 planets. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more is planet 19. And now let's go to the other side. But they also have a rubber, so we can rubber things out. These are the 2 10s that make 20. I'll make another video of the activity cards and also other shapes of the number blocks. Like, share and subscribe to our channel so you can learn about new number blocks and maths and so much more. I'm missing my baby sister because she's sleeping and she really likes to play with me. If she was here, she would take all the number blocks and run away. Hi Noor, I miss you. See my video tomorrow. Bye. Bye everyone. Please subscribe.